Samsung Health is the official health app from Samsung. How does it work? In this video, we'll cover Samsung Health tutorial. So let's jump right into it. The app offers to track over 10 types of health related options. But let's cover the main interface first. On the top, we have the most important data, steps. Tapping on this shows the detailed overview. You can change the time on the top while the device data is shown here. Below the steps, we have the daily activity section. This data combines steps, activity and calories. As you walk or do exercise, this here is filled. The whole heart indicates that you have achieved the goal for the day. Samsung Health comes with about 100 exercise options to track. All of them are in this exercise section. It shows the most common ones, but you can tap on this Add Workouts option to add more. In most activities, you see this option to help you get the most of it. To start activity, we touch on this button at the bottom. The app begins counting the time and burnt calories. This music option here goes to the music app installed on your phone, while the pause and finish buttons are on the bottom. When you finish your workout, you see the detailed overview. You can add images and notes down below. Other than physical exercises, the Samsung Health app can keep track of your food intake, sleep, weight, water intake, stress exercise, blood pressure, stress and blood glucose. For some activities, you need a health watch. In each of those sections, you find the related options. For example, in the food section, you find the food times, and then under each, you can add food items. Let's go back to the home screen. This Manage Items button allows adding and removing activities from the home screen. You can display the items that you use and remove the rest. The app is not just about exercising alone. It has this Together feature to connect the application with your friends and work out together. The app can also be used to participate in global challenges and events. Those events are hosted monthly and thousands of participants join to stay healthier. You can set challenges as well and compete with your friends. This is an excellent way to find out who walks or runs the most in your group. The last section is the fitness section, and here you can do a few things. The top tab is to join fitness programs. There are over 50 of them and almost all of them are free. Tapping on a program shows details, difficulty level, time, and if any equipment is required. The three dots on the top show your interests and program's history. Anyway, you can also explore this mindfulness section, which is powered by the Calm application. You can meditate, listen to sleep stories and music to help you sleep. The last row is for women to stay healthy and keep track of their data. Before we end this video, I want to talk about the menu. You can set or change your profile settings if you like. Some options in this app may work better if your personal information is correct. The achievements screen shows your rewards and records, maximum steps, active time, exercise minutes, fastest speed, etc. can be seen here. If you're super into your health, you can check some accessories that work with Samsung Health. Anyway, this is it for this video. I hope it helped you learn Samsung Health. Please tap on the like button below if it helped. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.